Hello sa mga kaibigan natin startup business owners. Alam mo na ba kung para saan ang product photoshoot na gagawin mo? Alam mo na ba kung saan mga social media accounts mo ipopost mga photos ng products ng business mo? Alam mo na din ba kung anong klaseng photos ang dapat gawin ng photographer mo? If hindi pa, please continue watching. Hi, I'm Mabel Vesala from thebiralmedia.com, a photography, videography, social media marketing solutions company. I talk about how-tos and tips about social media content creation. You are in the right channel if you want to grow your social media content. So subscribe and hit the bell notification to be notified of my next uploaded video. So let's get it started. I will guide you in your journey in creating your visual content for your social media from scratch. I will give you guidelines and checklists before you start taking a photo of your products at home or before you give your products to your photographer. So, i-list down mo na at i-check mo kung alin ba dito ang kailangan mo para sa product photoshot mo. Ang unang klase ng photoshot na maisa-share ko sa inyo is called individual shot. Ang individual shot is taking a photo of your product in a white clean background. Kakailanganin mo ng individual shot kung first, gusto mo ng white background, clean, malinis, very specific, very straightforward na nakafocus lang yung customer mo sa product. Second, kung gusto mo ng product photo na matatanggal mo kagad yung background at magiging ready ito para sa post-processing para sa graphic designer, kung gagawa yung graphic designer mo ng isang poster or gusto mo pagsamasamahan ng iba't ibang klase ng products, pwede mo din siyang gamitin for your menu. Or pangatlo, kung ilalagay mo ito sa website. Individual product shot is easy to do, less complicated, very flexible. Pwede mong i-post ang mga photos na to kahit saang social media accounts. Meron ka mang artificial light or natural light, makakagawa ka ng individual product photo shot. The second checklist is called lifestyle shot. This is the type of product photo shot that the product is being used. For example, umiinom, because your product is a drinking water or a soda. Merong gumagamit ng product mo sa inyong photo or artistically ang pagkakakuha ng picture sa product mo. Madalas mo ito makikita sa Instagram, sa Facebook, sa Pinterest. I will be showing you how to do it at home, so click the link above and watch it after this video. The third thing that you can consider sa pagte-take ng product photo shot is called scaled shots. Kailangan mo bang kumuha ng product na magpapakita ng height or ng size ng iyong product? For example, ang halaman. Iba-iba ang laki ng halaman, iba-iba yung growth niya, kaya nag-iiba-iba din ang presyo. Paano mo maipapakita sa mga customer mo na tama yung presyo na binibigay mo sa bawat halaman na nilalagay mo sa social media mo? Ang mga customer, kailangan nila din makita kung gaano ba kalaki o kaliit yung bibili nila sa'yo. So isipin mo, kailangan mo ba ng scale shot o hindi? The fourth type of a product photo shot is called detailed shot. Ito yung mga photos na naka-zoom para ma-focus sa specific na gusto mong iparating sa iyong mga customers. For example, this is a bag. You have taken it as individual shot, yet kumuha ka din ng picture na focused. Kasi gusto mo makita yung texture niya. For example, it is a suede bag or a leather bag na ganito ang feeling ng iyong bag. Hindi man nahahawakan ng mga customer mo yung bag na yon, pero dahil sa detail shot na pinakita mo yung texture, mararamdaman nila na malambot yung bag na yon o madulas siya o magaspang. The fifth type of product photo shot and the second to the last that I'm going to tell you is called group shot. Madalas, ito yung mga product na binibili as one, like set products, like skincare for example. Meron kang toner, may moisturizer, may night cream, may sabon. Para mapakita mo sa mga customer na kailangan siya bilhin in one set, kailangan mo kumuha ng picture na magkakasama sila. Kaya ang tawag doon ay group shot. So, yung individual shot is one product only. Group shot is more than one product. Now, the sixth type of product photo shot and the last checklist is called packaging shot. You have to think and decide. Kailangan mo bang ipakita sa mga customer mo kung anong itsura ng packaging mo? Kung kailangan mo, then tell your photographer or put it in your checklist na kailangan mo ng packaging shot. To give you an example, here, itong skincare na to, pinopromote mo siya na pwede nilang bilhin as set. So, kasama ng mga products yung packaging. Or, magbabago ka ng packaging packaging. So, kailangan mo ipakita lang yung package. Kukuha ka ngayon ng packaging shot. Again, here are the checklist. Ano bang klaseng product photoshoot ang kailangan mo sa iyong business? You can check 1 or 2 or more from this checklist so you can prepare your DIY home studio before taking a photo without wasting too much time and effort. Right? Dahil kapag may checklist ka, hindi mo na gagawin pa ulit-ulit ang pagsaset up ng home studio mo. Kapag bigla mo na lang naalala na, ay, kailangan ko pala maglagay ng ganitong klaseng picture. Ay, kailangan ko pala ng ganito, ganyan. This checklist will help your life easier. Planning is the key. Deciding what you really need for your business is also very important. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, i-guide ko kayo sa inyong journey for creating a visual content para sa inyong social media. So I'm going to create a playlist in this channel where you can watch each episode of the step-by-step guides and tips before posting a photo in your social media. Watch my next video on how you can set up your DIY photo studio at the comfort of your home. See you in the next video!